Dr. Romano's still here. I've got to go find him. He was in this room before. I got a question to ask. Dr. Romano? Dr. Romano, are you... Hey, Dr. Romano, you're still here. I was just about to see if... I was going to get a donut and a little coffee for myself.
Well, what I'd like to do is to go over a problem that involves multiple concepts. I had a question on this in the study group, and out of 6,000 kids, not a single kid got it right. So come along and let's have a look, and we'll see what we can do here.
Oh, Dr. Romano, I thought I got it right. I guess I didn't.
Now, what we're going to do is, I want to do what we call a sequence. So this is going to involve a few steps. The first step is simply a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Notice below the arrow is the Lewis acid catalyst. Once I acylate the molecule, I then hit it with bromine and acid. Now, bromine and acid, notice there's no Lewis acid catalyst that has aluminum chloride or iron chloride in it. So this is not a reaction of aromatics, but it's going to be simply a replacement of one of the alpha hydrogens with a bromine. So notice what I've done is I simply removed one of those alpha hydrogens and I brominated it. Once we got this, I then hit it with sodium hydride, which is a strong base, and it's going to remove the most acidic proton to give me my stabilized enolate. And we have it right there. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Once I have this, I'm now going to bring in a molecule of benzaldehyde. Notice I drew the arrow to show the electron movement, just like you would do in a regular, say, aldol condensation. There's the attack. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, is what do I do in this next step? An oxygen with a negative charge is not stable. And what it's going to do is we're going to do an intramolecular attack where we form an epoxide. Bromine leaves, you form an epoxide, and there it is. This is known, you don't need to know the name, but if you're dying of curiosity, this is known as the Darzin's condensation. But the important thing is to understand the concept, that once you got through the mechanism and you did the condensation reaction, this O- hits this molecule from an intramolecular vantage point.
That's a Darzen.
I hope that helped.
Will that be on the DAT, Dr. Romano?
I don't know if the name reaction is going to be on the DAT, but the concept is there. For the DAT, they love big names. They love big names like Aldol and Clayson and Michael and Diekman. But I love overkill. And because I love overkill, we get 30s in my group. So my group, we're going to be ready for the Darzin's condensation. But I'm not going to get caught up in the names. We want to understand the concept, and we're ready to kick some ass. Good day to you.
I liked your shirt, Dr. Romano. That's really cool.
Actually, it's the adrenaline molecule. Good day to you.
Wow, Dr. Romano. I have a lot of adrenaline most of the time. Good day to you, sir.